The Nikon Z9 II has finally arrived in 2025, and trust me, this is not just another camera release, it's a game changer. When Nikon first launched the original Z9, it completely redefined what a professional mirrorless camera could be, and now, with the Z9 II, they've raised the bar once again. This new flagship isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold reimagining of what photographers and filmmakers need today. From its rugged pro-level design with improved ergonomics and weather sealing, to its breathtaking new 9.44 million electronic viewfinder, to the cutting-edge 4-axis tilt and swivel LCD that gives you ultimate shooting flexibility, every detail screams innovation. Nikon has managed to make it lighter, more durable, and smarter, while also giving professionals more control than ever before. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into everything the Z9 II has to offer. Its design, performance, image quality, autofocus precision, and incredible video capabilities. So you'll see exactly why this is being called Nikon's most complete and most advanced camera yet. The Nikon Z9 II has finally arrived in 2025, and it is already creating shockwaves in the photography and filmmaking community. When Nikon first launched the original Z9, it was hailed as one of the most advanced professional mirrorless cameras ever made, a true DSLR replacement that gave photographers and videographers everything they could want in one powerful package. But technology never stops moving forward, and now with the Z9 II, Nikon has shown once again that it is determined to lead the industry into the future. This is not just an incremental update, it's a serious reimagining of what a professional flagship mirrorless camera should be in 2025. From performance boosts to smarter autofocus, from cutting-edge video features to a refined body design, the Z9 II is designed to meet the needs of professionals who demand the very best. In this video, we're going to explore every single aspect of this new flagship, from its build quality to its image quality, its autofocus precision to its video capabilities, and by the end, you'll know exactly why the Z9 II is being called Nikon's most complete camera yet. Let's start with the design because, after all, that's the first thing you notice when you pick up a new camera. The Nikon Z9 II continues the rugged, pro-oriented body style of its predecessor, but with refinements that make it feel even more polished and reliable in the hand. It has the integrated vertical grip that professionals love, making it perfect for both portrait and landscape shooting without feeling awkward or unbalanced. The magnesium alloy frame has been further reinforced with better weather sealing, ensuring the camera can survive extreme shooting conditions, whether you're photographing in the heat of the desert, the cold of the Arctic, or a downpour in a rainforest. Nikon has clearly built this body for professionals who travel to the harshest environments and cannot afford to worry about whether their gear will survive. Despite being just as durable as ever, the Z9 II is slightly lighter than the original Z9 thanks to Nikon's new material engineering. This makes it easier to carry for long shooting sessions, whether you're covering a full day of sports photography, wedding events, or wildlife expeditions. The ergonomics have also been improved. Nikon has subtly redesigned the button layout to be more intuitive, with larger, more tactile buttons that are easier to press even when wearing gloves. The joystick and AF on button are perfectly placed, giving you better control over autofocus selection without taking your eye away from the viewfinder. The grip itself is deeper and more comfortable, which is a small change but makes a huge difference during long hours of use. Simply put, the Z9 II feels like a professional tool